Hello teachers. Okay, so this video is a tutorial on how to integrate an interactive PowerPoint presentation in a Google Classroom. Okay, so first, so you must have your blank presentation. Delete this unnecessary box right here. And then, first thing to do is to format your background. Okay, so go to design, click this format background. By the way, there are some suggestions here for your background and also design ideas. But for personally, for me, I would choose to have a different background. Go to Google first and then look for your desired background. For example, so my desired background is pastel colors. Okay, so I'm going to search here pastel HD. Do not forget the word HD. Okay, pastel HD background. So click images. And there you go. So there are so many suggestions for the background. Okay, I'm going to choose, for example, this one right here. Wait, pink, pink, pink. Okay, this one. So I have this picture here. Just click save image as, and then you're going to save that on your desktop. And then click save. Then go back to your PowerPoint. So again, format background, click picture, and then insert picture from file, go to desktop, and then choose this picture as your background. So there you go. And then click apply all. Now to copy this slide, place your cursor in this slide number 1. Click Control C. Control C is for copy, and then Control V for paste. So that's it. Paste as many slides as you want. So we have our slides now. Okay, for first thing to do is to insert text box. Okay. Of course, you want to start your slide with greetings. Okay. Good day, students. Good day, students. How are you today? I hope you are all doing fine. Today, we will start with another lesson. Okay, so click the desired font style that you want, or the desired font style. So I would choose Comic Sans. So make it bigger by clicking this one. So as big as you want. So there you go. And also you can add your picture right here. Insert, click insert, and then picture, device. So if you have your saved picture on your laptop, for example, this picture. There. So you can also choose color that you want for that sentence. For example, I will choose blue. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so after that, so we are going to insert again shape for the next and previews button. So insert shape, choose that rectangle. Okay. So I think I will move this picture right here. Okay. So we have here choose the color of the shape that you want. So I will choose yellow. Okay. And then outline. The weight of that outline first. Okay. I will choose this one, 4.5. And then if you want to add color for that outline, blue. I will choose blue. Okay. And then type the word next. Next, and then choose color for that word. Font size first. Font style rather. And then color. So I want it green or blue. Okay. Next. And then for the next slide, so I'm just going to copy this one. Control C. And then put this on the next slide or slide 2. Control V. Okay. And you want to add another shape here. So just click Control C, and then Control V, and then move. So there you go. Change this word into previews. Previews. And then after that, after this shape, you're going to add or insert action. Yeah. Click insert and then action. Mouse click, hyperlink to hyperlink to previous slide. Previous slide. Then click OK. And then for this next, another insert and then action. Hyperlink to next slide. And then click OK. Okay, now, for you to prevent or to avoid repeating these steps for all your slides, just click control or hold the control button on your laptop and then click another shape here, then control C, which is copy, and then go to the third slide and then control V. Okay, next, fourth slide, control V, 5, control V. Okay, so there you go. And then this one, uh, just copy. Okay. So after that, after the greetings, okay, so add previous and next. Okay, so we're going to have insert action, which is your URL. For example, you're going to use the link from your Google Classroom. For example, you have created already some activities for your students on your Google Classroom. Okay. So what is the app that you're going to do? Are you going to use? For example, I'm going to use the app Quizzes. So I'm going to use the app Quizzes. Quizzes logo PNG. Then image. I choose this picture right here. Control C. Sorry. Copy image and then Control V. There you go. So you have the okay. So you want to add some simple instructions here above. Okay. Before you proceed, kindly click the logo of Quizzes below for the pretest. Then again, choose your desired font style, bold, and then make it bigger. So I think that's better. Before you proceed, kindly click the logo of the Quizzes below for the pretest. So after that, you open your Google Classroom first. So I have here my Google Classroom opened. And then this one. So this is the pretest. I'm going to click three dots here and then select this copy link. Okay, so you have there. Okay, so to insert action here, insert and then action, hyperlink to, and then choose or select URL. Then erase that one and then Control V. So this is the link from your Google Classroom. And then OK. Okay, so let's check if it is working perfectly. Okay. So to check, Shift F5 and then click this icon or logo of quizzes, and that will direct you to that activity or short quiz from quizzes. Okay, so it's working. Sorry. Now after you have inserted action, okay, so now you want to put emphasis on this logo. If you want to put emphasis, okay, click that picture and then go for animation. Okay, and then select emphasis, more emphasis effect. So I'm going to choose this one. So let's check. Go to animation pane, and then click this one. Select start with previews, and then after starting with previews, go for the timing, and then how fast would you like that animation or the emphasis animation. So I want it 1 second. Okay, and then repeat until next click OK. Okay, so let's see if it is working perfectly. That's it. So after that pre-test, you can add here your positive comments or feedbacks because your students are done answering the pre-test. Okay, insert text box again and then add some comments. Excellent. Now that you are done with the pretest, click the word vocabulary development. Okay, so choose your desired font style, Comic Sans, bold, make it bigger. You can also change the color of that words. So I want it, I think blue. Okay. So excellent. Now that you're done with the pretest, click the word vocabulary development. So I'm going to insert again another shape here. Yeah. And write the word vocabulary development. Oh, wait. We're going to change the color first of this shape. Shape fill. So what color do you want? So I want, I think, green. Shape outline. So I will choose 4.5. Outline. Change the color. I want it black. Okay. Change the font style. Okay, so insert action. So you're going to use again your Google Classroom. Okay. So this is your Google Classroom. For example, this is your uh, vocabulary development. Copy link. And then insert action. Hyperlink to. Select URL. Then Control V. So that's the link for vocabulary development. Click OK. And I think we can add here animation for emphasis. More emphasis. Let's try this one. Another. Let's have another one. Okay, so that one. Okay. Go to animation pane. Start with previews. Then select timing. So I want it 1 second. And then until next click. Okay, there you go. So let's try. Let's check if it is working perfectly. So click this vocabulary development. Okay, so this is now the so that's it. So next after that, so you want to add another for example, good job. Good job. Go to Google and then look for good job. Good job GIF. Good job GIF. So I'm going to choose this one. Copy. And then next. Then you want to add nice. You did well. Then make it bigger, bold. Nice. Okay, so if this will be your last slide, so change this word next into exit. And change the action into hyperlink and end show. Okay. So if we are done with the presentation, so we have to save this PowerPoint and change the file format into PowerPoint presentation show. Okay. So click Save As. By the way, when you save this into PowerPoint presentation show, so students would not be able or won't be able to edit this presentation. Okay, so save as PowerPoint presentation, a PowerPoint show, and then save. So exit. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks like as PowerPoint presentation show. So good day students, how are you today? I hope you are all doing fine. Today we will start with another lesson. Click the word next. Before you proceed, kindly click the logo of the quizzes below for the pretest. I'm going to click this one. So that will be the pretest from the Google Classroom. Okay, going back. So click the word next. So excellent. Now that you are done with the pretest, click the word vocabulary development. So if I'm going to click this, so this is the file from Google Classroom, the vocabulary development. Okay. So if the student is done, click the word next. Okay. Nice, you did well. And this is the end of the presentation. Exit. Okay. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you.